shit get lost. She in the back right off. She wanna fuck on the boss. She wanna fuck on the law.
All right, y'all, welcome back to another video. Got the boy Ruby right here. Today we're doing if you watched the last video, we're doing a radiator install. Radiator springs. The JB well didn't work on it. It worked for like maybe an hour. So we're gonna do that today. Right now we're taking off the bumper. We're probably gonna take this off. We're letting it cool down right now because we're gonna throw something underneath the car. Got this big bitch right here. Got a tome extension. So we're basically gonna put this in between the Y pipe and the mid pipe to basically stick out the tome. I'm gonna try to stick it out. You know, I'm trying to be like Ruby, trying to stick out and shit. Gonna stick it out another 8 inches. So it's gonna be out here. I'm probably gonna curl it up. So, but yeah. Also took off the louvers back here. Those bitches were faded. But yeah, right now we're gonna let this cool off. And that's pretty much it. We're not doing nothing to yours?
No. I know. I thought about doing my valve covers, but
True.
Oh, wait.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we could start them.
I don't really feel like doing that shit.
All right, yeah, and then we got valve covers. We got valve covers for his HR, and then I got mine for the DE. I'm probably going to order spark plugs because I've never done the spark plugs on this car, and it's been like 3 years almost. So we're going to do the spark plugs, valve covers for mine because I have a small, like it's kind of leaking over. And then I'm going to try to get a plenum for it as well, so. All right, I'll pick up right now when we probably lift up the radiator or stick out the tome. Got anything to say, Ruby? Any updates?
Paint.
Paint. Paint, yeah, obviously paint, but.
Nah, I'm just trying to see this thing healthy.
Yeah, I was like, you'd rather fucking see it fucking.
You haven't driven it in like a while.
Yeah,
huh?
it's been a few weeks. Gotta go on some cruises and shit, so.
I've been meaning to. Oh, damn. I've been meaning to fucking go like on cruise. Like they be posting like, on Instagram, like
Yeah.
the cruises and shit, the car meets.
Yeah. And we haven't been to a meet in a few months, so definitely gotta go.
Actually, what we can do today is straighten out those fucking Z's. They're weird looking.
Yeah.
I need to gap them out a bit more to the left. And then
What you should do is you should definitely just put this down, like connect corners, and then get out there with like a, not necessarily like a level, but like kind of straighten it out. Or a roller, yeah. Or we debadge it and put it in the middle.
I don't know. I like the Nissan badge.
The Nissan?
Yeah. But let's see. Since I'm probably gonna go carbon, I'll probably get rid of the silver.
Yeah.
It's like the only silver thing that's besides it.
Wheels. He's got deep dish works coming in soon, so.
Just get rid of those silver lugs.
Facts. All right. I'll pick up right now when we throw this bitch on. Oh. I just cleaned off my axles that are blown. Look at this shit. Oh. I'm gonna go goop Ruby. Bro, check this shit out. Fucking neck. Alright, little update. Got the exhaust off. Got found out that my fucking
that's fucking sick, bro.
Yeah, the purple.
The purple? I've never seen it like that.
Yeah. Found out that my Tome white pipe is fucking has a little hole in it. I don't know if you can see it. It's right there, but it's when I hit a few rocks on the freeway, and that's when it fucked up my gas tank. But yeah, right now I got the radiator. We got the radiator bleeding out, and we're about to slap on this bitch. Slap this on, but we're probably gonna do the little extension next. Go ahead. So right now we're sliding the fan out.
AC lines in the way.
Let me see.
The AC hard lines. Yeah, try to pull that out of the way.
Can you push more to that left side or no? There it goes.
It's actually, my bad, sorry.
You're good.
The stickers are water.
Alright, part two.
Damn,
Try
bro, I'm
this
in a
again.
mess.
You're good. We'll get the towel. We have the towels. Oh fuck, it's on my plug right there.
I swear.
The electrical plug. Probably just, yeah.
back it goes into the way. Look at that.
There you go.
Oh.
You're just fucking, yeah. Yeah, that's good. All right, take 2. Get this shit. Oh fuck. Yeah. It has that. Hold up, that line is the one that's stuck right here.
Oh.
Now go ahead. Fucking rip it off. Yeah. Hit your fingers and shit. Lit. All right, so we got that out. Next is the
turbo T64 Garrett for sale.
Really?
I know what I got.
I know what I got. Name a price.
Dual turbines, ball bearings, oil fed.
So now we got the fan out. Next is this bitch. I already put the extension on, but we're gonna probably do that first because we have to fucking re-angle the exhaust end. We have to kind of point it up. So yeah.
Oh, bro. Hey, yo.
What? Ew. Oh.
Yeah, it's tranny fluid. Hold on, don't pick it off yet.
All right, so we got the 2 hoses off over there. A little tip: instead of having your transmission fluid, right?
Yeah.
Transmission fluid. Put some little pluggers in there and hang them. We got the big hose off, and then now we should be able to. Oh, condensers, you said?
Yeah.
Is connected to your AC condenser, so there's 2 bolts right there. And there's little caps that we didn't see that we totally weren't trying to bend. So, all right, get that bitch out.
Ew, I'm scared to pull it out, bro. What if fucking Charlotte living in that?
Yeah, there's spiders in there. Oh.
What?
Bro, no way.
Shut the fuck up.
I swear to God, it's dead,
Shut
though.
the fuck up.
It's dead. It's dead.
Shit out. You can pull it out. Yeah. Fuck
I
that.
saw it move. I saw it move.
What if it's a widow?
That's oh, it's not a spider. It's fucking plastic or something.
Fucking spooked me.
This light up. Oh, from the bottom.
Yeah,
it picks
the
up?
condensers clipped into it.
You sure?
Yeah, it should just slide out.
What the fuck?
Give it a couple yanks.
Like that.
Little uggas.
This bitch is being in the way now. Yeah, it's just annoying. Ah, it's this little fucking filter right here. There we go.
Finally. Wow.
Yeah, Charlotte's Web right there. Oh shit, it's dripping.
You're dripping.
I got my cereal.
What's that box?
Be the Jamie Webb. Look at this shit.
Shit.
Fucking
Yeah, this thing is
nasty.
clapped. Compared to the new one?
Yeah. You gotta take a thumbnail with that one. Yeah.
Return it.
I know. Return that shit.
Return it. Money back.
Alright, little update. We got the radiator back in. Everything hooked up. Hoses are all hooked up. Got the cold air back on. Reservoir back on. Right now we're gonna go to AutoZone to get some more coolant to do the bubbling process and everything like that. The extension for the Tomei, it worked sick. It was like all the way out here, but it was hitting my frame up there, so I'm gonna have to bang the Tomei, which I don't really want to do, or I'm gonna have to adjust it. So one day we'll probably fuck with it in the fitment and shit, but I'm gonna put this back on. But we're gonna go to AutoZone right now to get some more coolant. But yeah, I'll pick it up right now. We're gonna probably mob in the Z. So. He's about to swing this bitch.
Oh, I am?
Nah, chill. You're gonna hit that car.
Pulling gonna go far, man.
Fuck it, they're in bottles. Shit kicks, bro. out too. Come on, put that fucking horsepower in. This would be the AZ builds, bro.
He's looking at me through his mirror.
You see?
That car sounds like shit.
Yeah. No ops?
My shit's in a skid.
Nah, you're good.
The clutch is in a slip.
The floor main. He was about it though.
Yeah, you said fuck it.
Alright, so a little update here.
Oh, fuck a little update. What time did we start? Like around 12?
Well, I got here at 12:30.
Fucking 6:31, guys. 6:31.
So what's happening? Explain what happened here.
Alright, so we ran into some issues. Car started overheating. These things are a pain in the ass to burp, and we were skipping steps. And so we figured it out. We went and got this no spill funnel. And right now what we did, we checked the bleeder hose, made sure it's just coolant coming out from there.
And my shit overfilled just now. One of the big issues is we had the car level on jack stands, and we were like, what the fuck, it's not going back there. Well, it's supposed to overfill back there. But the guy had his car lower like this. So as soon as we dropped it like this, it filled up right away.
It was a dummy moment for sure.
Yeah, skipped a few steps.
We wasted like about an hour or two.
The biggest thing was these hoses up top were getting hot, but nothing was flowing to the bottom hose, right?
Bottom one, yeah, it was good. It wasn't like feeling like it was getting any fluid to it or like temperature. It wasn't warming up. But yeah, we got this, we filled it up. It looks like it's burping. We're supposed to squeeze it right now. We'll turn the car on, fill it up some more,
and hopefully the biggest issue is it has to go. Oh, we have to run the heater as well, because the heater opens up the, was it thermostat or cooler or some shit?
The thermostat.
The thermostat.
It lets water run through the heater core and make sure the thermostat's running properly and warming up temperatures and shit, you know?
So that's the biggest issue, is we need to get that bottom hose hot and then slowly get all the bubbles out. All right, pick it up right now, and this Capri Sun is almost empty.
Capri Sun.
It does look like Capri Sun.
Told you it was gonna turn yellow.
Yeah. All right. So right now we're testing the coolant, because we finally got it. It's 8:30. We finally got everything back in. We're making sure that the temperature isn't going up, and right now it's not. The only issue is the, what was it? The thermostat, or what the fuck?
Yeah.
The thermostats. So since we put all that new coolant, and that thing's really old, it's making like this chirping noise. So Ruby said he'll probably take his off his HR and try to slap it on here when we do our valve covers. So yeah, we're just test driving this bitch.
So far, so good.
Yeah, it's not going up at all.
Chirpy's annoying as fuck. Listen.
Annoying.
Yeah.
Hey, we can drive it again, so we all get to go. Fuck that noise. We'll fix that eventually.
No more leaks.
Yeah, no more leaks, man.
We'll check right now when we get back.
Yeah,
no more leaks.
I can show right now. I'll do a spin out right now.
Oh.
Automatic head ass.
Automatic.
Can't get wet from the sprinklers, you know.
Hell yeah.
Temps. Straight. Up rev, you know. That's why I got 2 blown axles again.
Hey, we don't talk about that.
All right, guys. All right, so it's probably a week later from the radiator install. I forgot to make a outro for it. But yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, drop a like, leave some comments, always give us feedback. Right now we're actually starting another video. We're actually gonna be sanding down this part of the wide body, just because it's a little funky. A little funky, but we're actually gonna be fixing this, because this is what the side looks like before. But yeah, we're actually about to make this video, so I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ruby, you want to say anything to the people?
No.
Say I'll see you in 5 minutes.
See you soon.
All right, y'all. Peace.
Wearing the same clothes.
The same clothes. All right. Peace.